Pets are more than furry companions or feathered friends. They are emotional anchors, furry therapists, and unwavering sources of joy. Their presence in our homes extends far beyond the realm of chewed slippers and overflowing litter boxes. Pets weave themselves into the very fabric of our lives, acting as agents of emotional transformation and fostering a deeper understanding of ourselves. This essay delves into the profound influence pets have on our lives, exploring how their unconditional love and companionship enrich our emotional landscapes and blur the lines between pet and person. Beyond companionship, pets as emotional catalysts. The unconditional love a pet offers is a potent antidote to loneliness and despair. Unlike human relationships, which can be fraught with complexities and expectations, the affection a pet bestows is unwavering. A wagging tail, a purring cuddle, or the gentle nuzzle of a furry head provides a sense of security and belonging, especially for those living alone or facing difficult life transitions. Studies have shown that interacting with pets lowers stress hormones and increases levels of oxytocin, a hormone associated with love and bonding. This hormonal shift translates to a calmer, more relaxed state of mind, effectively combating anxiety and depression. Pets can also be powerful tools for self-discovery and emotional growth. Caring for another living creature fosters a sense of responsibility and empathy. Witnessing their resilience, playfulness, and simple joy in the face of life's challenges can inspire a similar outlook in their human companions. For children, pets can be invaluable confidants, fostering emotional expression and social skills development. Studies suggest that growing up with pets can lead to increased self-esteem, lower levels of anxiety, and a greater capacity for compassion. Furry fitness coaches, pets and physical well-being. Owning a pet not only benefits our emotional health, but also our physical well-being. Dogs, in particular, require regular walks and playtime, prompting their owners to become more active. This increased physical activity translates to a host of health benefits, including lower blood pressure, improved cardiovascular health, and weight management. Even the simple act of stroking a cat has been shown to lower blood pressure and heart rate, demonstrating the calming effect pets can have on our physical state. For individuals with disabilities or chronic illnesses, pets can be invaluable companions, offering emotional support and even providing physical assistance. Guide dogs, for example, improve mobility and independence for the visually impaired, while therapy animals can provide comfort and stress relief to those living with anxiety or post-traumatic stress disorder. Social butterflies of the animal kingdom, pets and social connection. Pets can also play a crucial role in fostering social connections. Owning a dog often leads to interactions with fellow dog walkers, creating opportunities for conversation and community building. Pets can be particularly helpful for individuals who are shy or introverted, acting as social lubricants that ease introductions and break the ice with new acquaintances. Pet ownership can also be a bridge between generations. Children can develop a sense of responsibility by caring for pets, while older adults find companionship and a reason to get out of the house when they have furry friends to walk or play with. Pets can foster a sense of belonging and connection, particularly for those living in isolation or struggling with social anxiety. Preparing to welcome a forever friend. While the benefits of pet ownership are undeniable, bringing a pet into your home is a significant commitment. Before welcoming a furry or feathered friend, it's crucial to carefully consider your lifestyle and resources. Research different breeds and species to find a pet that aligns with your living situation and activity level. Puppies require dedicated training and frequent walks, while senior dogs may need a quieter environment. Once you've chosen your perfect companion, prepare your home to ensure their safety and well-being. This includes puppy-proofing for curious pups, ensuring adequate space for exercise and play, and providing comfortable bedding and toys. Invest in essential supplies like food, water bowls, leashes, collars, and litter boxes if applicable. The first few weeks with a new pet are critical for establishing a strong bond and laying the groundwork for training. Be patient, consistent, and positive as you teach your pet basic commands and house rules. Enroll in puppy socialization classes for dogs or explore bonding activities for other species. A blurred line. Pets as family. The profound impact pets have on our lives transcends the traditional definition of pet. They become more than companions. They become cherished members of the family. Their unconditional love provides a constant source of support and comfort, while their playful antics bring laughter and joy into our daily lives. Caring for a pet fosters responsibility, empathy, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Ultimately, the bond between humans and animals is a unique and powerful force. Pets hold a mirror to our emotions, prompting us to reflect on ourselves and grow as individuals. They remind us of the simple joys in life, the importance of living in the moment, and the power of unconditional love. Whether it's the comforting purr of a cat, the enthusiastic greeting of a dog, or the playful chirping of a bird, pets enrich our lives in countless ways, blurring the lines between pet and person and weaving themselves into the very fabric of our families and communities. Conclusion. Pets are more than just furry companions. They are emotional anchors, catalysts for personal growth, and guardians of our physical well-being. Their presence fosters social connections, fosters empathy, and reminds us of the simple joys in life. As we open our homes and hearts to these furry or feathered friends, we embark on a journey of mutual transformation, enriching our lives in ways we never imagined. So the next time you look into your pet's eyes, remember the profound impact they have on your life. They are not just pets, they are family, friends, and teachers, forever shaping our journey and reminding us of the power of love, loyalty, and the simple beauty of life. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Check below for supplies and other essentials.